the business blueprint like, right? If I have to ask you this question, that what's your business blueprint, I guess that would define the entire thing, for micro, small, medium business owners like yours, right? And without a solid long-term business plan or a short-term, long-term business plan, it's indefinite to share that exactly where will you head and what's the outcome of the business. Hi, my name is Avik a business strategist and business coach in this mission right now. And I'm in this mission right now to help micro, small, and medium business owners like you to take your journey to the next level and help you to transform your business and build a healthy, scalable, and profitable business equally as well. To join me in the hands, just go ahead and hit the like, subscribe button so that you keep on getting such perfect video insights way ahead equally as well. And in today's video, I'll be going to share you all such perfect, business insights, which will help you to understand that where the leakage in your business, because of which probably you are not able to get that blueprint and for a long-term business approach in your environment. So just make sure you stay till the end because I'll be helping you to shorten down your learning curve through my own roller coaster journey and that I've drilled and gone through equally as well. Equally going through 4 business ventures and then probably surrendering through all of my best of the best mentors in the space of business and life equally as well, right? Uh, so let's dive in without wasting much time and ensure that you have a complete blueprint on the same and see where are the gaps that you're facing so that you can equally go ahead and apply the same in your business equally as well. And do stay till the end because towards then I'll be sharing some of the best gift bonanza that will help you to get the best of the best gifts to go ahead and get the best options or gift as well. So yes, as I was sharing, that when it comes to business blueprint or for a solid long-term business plan, no business is complete unless you have a proper blueprint or a long-term business plan equally as well. So my question comes back to you: what are the things or what are the specific strategical pointers that you must have to consider while having or ensuring that you make out a solid proven printout in terms of the business blueprint that I'm referring to. So the first and foremost pointers is about a strategic vision. So as a business owner, if you don't have a compelling vision that serves the milestone of your journey, the milestone of your business, your team will not be able to conglomerate with you. Your team will not be able to tighten up the bondage with you. The glue will be missing. Okay, you can have multiple deliverables, but if you don't have the glue to connect with each other, to connect with the aspiration of the business, to connect with the higher purpose of the business, then every time in the environment, in the ecosystem, there will be those day-to-day, struggle and operations will be at a very dead zone because it doesn't work that way when come without any proper vision, purpose, or mission of the business. So the first and foremost thing, ensure that you have a strategic vision purpose which gets translated every time to the team, and there is a storyboard round around the organization build up wherein you build those cultures. So it's a combination of culture which beats the capabilities. I repeat, it's a combination of culture which beats the capabilities. Yeah. Followed by which the next pointers comes is nothing but a very deep nugget pointers. And I think this is one of my closest pointers deep to my heart, where I see most of the business doesn't go with this fact and they don't operate in this arena or zone. If you see global brands like Facebook, Google, Amazon, Apple, what are they doing? They're continuously building their reverse engineering pattern. They're continuously gaining the momentum and feedback from the market. They're continuously improving their products and services based on clients' customer feedback, a true approach to customer experience. And not that what you have, built up as a product services and you're just dumping the same to your market, asking for them for a checklist and stuff like that. So the next pointer is market validation or a pivot model to understand the market analysis and mastery it equally as well. Unless you drive into the market and you gain the true inputs from the market, you will not be able to identify opportunities. Forget about competition for that matter. Yeah. So it's extremely important that you get this market analysis and mastery and figure out all those options by which you can do that and make sure that you are efficient enough to do that as well. Yeah. The third part is your operational excellence. So as a business owner, are you able to streamline your operational efficiency? That's my question comes to you. Are you able to reduce cost, optimize your utilization of resources? Yeah. That's become very, very vital and key equally as well. Because if you don't have a proper validation system, if you don't have a proper repeat purchase system, if you don't have proper vendor management system, if you don't have proper purchase billing process system, you'll fall flat on face, my friend. Because these are just nothing but ensuring the customer centric goal of your business are made. End of the day, your true customers are not your customers who are the end consumers. Your true customers are your stakeholders, your vendors, your suppliers, your team, your operations, right? They are your customers who in turn face your end customers, right? But at a day-to-day level, for you to interact is always the leadership functional team from each of these functions, or rather departments, like I mentioned, right? So you need to ensure that there is a process streamline and standardize as well equally, which will actually help you to ensure that the operational goal are well met, and there's a high excellence in operational goal. Because only when you have a high excellence in operational goal, only then you can think of scale. Else forget about scaling for that matter. The next thing which comes is the scalability secrets, or for that matter, the adaptability factor. So to evolve in the market, there would be timeline where you have to adapt to the changing situation of the business. You can't say that we have been doing this, we have been building this business for 10 years, my father has been doing this. Gone are those days, my friend, where business used to operate in mode of operations and finance. Today it's a day where, if you sleep today night, you don't know how the market will operate or resonate tomorrow morning. So every time there is a mechanism, or there is a opportunity tapped in potential tapping out, wherein it needs pivoting in every moment and phase, and you can't be rigid in those moments just because you have done something in the past and you want to go with that. That would not help. Big brand has got eradicated away just because of this sort of mindset and pattern. End of the day, it's always the crux mindset which will help you to crack it equally as well. Yeah. So basically, it's all about the business model that I'm referring here. So what's your business model? Who are your target audience? Where are they present? What is the services or products that you're building? Are your customers pretty good enough, confident to pay for your services and products? What are the margin that you kept for your business to operate in terms of product services? What is the profit money that you are keeping it for yourself as a business owner? All this summarizes nothing but a very sweet taste factor in your business, which is the uh, business model, right? So what's your business model in terms of scalability secrets? And finally, last but not the least, is a financial planning and a risk mitigation kind of strategy. So a robust financial planning is important to facilitate the market, to facilitate operation, to facilitate your stakeholders, vendors, right? With a balanced risk appetite option also, because only two things fail, else nothing fails in business, which is appetite of risk-taking attitude and the courage to define and translate those communication in your business to the team, to the operations, to the stakeholders, for the bigger purpose and changes that you are trying to implement. Yeah. So just make sure that you are able to get and define this 6 pointers that I mentioned. Go through this video again and again so that you are able to crux those bottleneck of your business and make sure that you are able to get the best out of it. Yeah. So with that, Avik come signing off here as of now and come to the end of the video equally as well. And like I mentioned, if you stay till the end, you will get able to get some of the gift bonanza. So make sure that you like and subscribe the channel, because that way you'll be able to get the best option in terms of getting the best gift from my end, and keep notifying for all the business insights. Since you've stayed till the end, you are eligible and qualified to receive a one-to-one call with me. Generally, I charge around 5,000, more than that. I mean, with 30-40 minutes of call, where you get a complete hygiene check of your business. And since you have stayed till the end, so you'll be able to get it absolutely without any cost. Yeah. And do join my Facebook, Telegram channel, Telegram group equally as well. That way, it will help you to get more power business insights and take the journey to the next level. For you to come to my workshop and also understand that how I help and transform business owners and micro, small, and medium business owners to help and get their journey transformed equally as well, and help them to build a scalable and a sustainable, profitable business equally as well. Till then, Avik signing off here as of now. Look forward for the next Power Pack video. You also do share your comment and takeaways. What has been your learning, and how will you going to implement the same, and what are some of the videos that you will also going to listen to or go through as well. So do share those as well. That will help me to share most of Power Pack insights and videos. Are we signing off here as of now? Look forward to the next Power Pack video insights. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.